Have you ever felt burdened by resentment? What if there was a path to peace? Today, we explore forgiveness and its healing power, especially in Zambia. Forgiveness is more than just saying "I forgive you." It involves emotional, cognitive, behavioral, and spiritual dimensions. In Zambia, both religious and cultural contexts shape the process of forgiveness. Let's break down this complex topic using Enright's Triadic forgiveness model. First, we have self-forgiveness. This means addressing the guilt inside yourself. It involves taking responsibility, showing self-compassion, and committing to change. This step allows healing from shame and self-condemnation. Next is interpersonal forgiveness. This is about navigating the tricky path of giving and receiving forgiveness. In relationships affected by hurt and betrayal, forgiveness can rebuild trust and restore connection. The final dimension is transpersonal forgiveness. This engages spiritual aspects, including seeking forgiveness from a higher power or ancestors. This layer of healing deepens the process and connects individuals to something greater. Now, let's discuss moral injury. This concept refers to the distress caused by violating personal moral values. In Zambia, historical trauma and structural violence often trigger moral injury. Symptoms can include guilt, shame, loss of trust, and spiritual alienation. Forgiveness can help heal moral injury, but it needs cultural context. Zambian cultures often focus on communal responsibility rather than individual blame. Understanding this can shift perceptions of moral violations. Christian teachings on forgiveness are common. However, they can sometimes pressure survivors to forgive too quickly. This approach can overlook the need for processing harm. Experiences from clinical practice, like those at Restored Hope Zambia, show that forgiveness dynamics can be complex. Survivors of church abuse face spiritual betrayal, which requires careful psychological and spiritual processing. Zambian cultural traditions offer valuable rituals for reconciliation. Indigenous practices often involve elders, symbolic exchanges, and communal meals. These activities can restore harmony within communities. Christian sacramental practices also play a role, using confession and communion to facilitate healing. Finally, syncretic practices blend traditional rituals with Christian frameworks, creating unique pathways to reconciliation. Therapists can adapt these rituals for counseling, but cultural humility is key. Engaging tradition bearers ensures respect for the community's practices. Yet, integrating forgiveness into therapy in Zambia requires careful consideration. Timing and readiness matter. We should never rush forgiveness, especially for trauma survivors. Unequal power dynamics can also affect forgiveness processes. Therapists need to navigate these with sensitivity, especially in cases of abuse or oppression. Cultural and religious alignment is crucial. Forgiveness interventions should fit within clients' beliefs and traditions. And remember, the community plays a significant role in healing processes. This means that family and community dynamics should be considered in forgiveness work. Practical approaches include psychoeducation about forgiveness, distinguishing it from mere reconciliation. Structured forgiveness exercises can help facilitate engagement. Incorporating culturally meaningful practices can also deepen the healing experience. And finally, community reconciliation processes can address conflicts impacting multiple individuals. In summary, forgiveness is a powerful journey. It involves self-forgiveness, interpersonal healing, and spiritual engagement. Culturally sensitive approaches make a profound difference in Zambian contexts. Embracing community and comprehension ensures the healing process is effective. Are you ready to explore forgiveness in your life? Begin your journey today, consider the steps discussed. Embrace healing and share this message with others. Thank you for joining us on this transformative exploration.